In this video, you'll learn how to create discount codes on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will enable your customers to use special codes for savings during their checkout process. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the option labeled My Store on the main menu. Once you locate it, click on My Store to access your store settings. After this, find the product for which you want to create a discount code. Click on Edit Product next to the relevant item. This action will take you to a detailed product editing page where you can modify various settings. Next, locate the section titled Set Price. Here, you will find options to adjust the pricing details of your product. As you scroll down, look for the option to add a discount code, which is typically positioned near the pricing fields. Once you find the discount code input area, enter your desired code. This can be any alphanumeric combination that you want your customers to use. Next, specify the discount amount you wish to offer. Be clear on whether this is a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount. You should also set an expiration date for the discount code. This ensures that your customers are aware of the time frame within which the code is valid. After entering all the required information, review your entries to ensure accuracy. Once you've confirmed that all details are correct, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click Save to store your changes. After saving, you may need to click Publish to make the discount code active and visible to customers. Customers can now enter the discount code during their checkout process. Ensure that you communicate the code and its details in your marketing materials to maximize its usage. This can enhance customer engagement and drive sales effectively.